I'm David with the BBQ Lab, and we review and test the best outdoor cooking gear to help you make sure that you buy only the best. And if you're anything like me, I want to know the temperature of my fire and the temperature of the meat that I'm cooking at all times. In this video, I interview Bob from Flame Boss about the products they offer to help us master our flames, and we've got it all coming up. Hey, I'm with Bob from Flame Boss here, and we're going to talk about pit-controlled fans that's going to help guys like us succeed on the weekends and control our fires a little bit more. So Bob, tell us a little bit more about what you guys offer to help us succeed.
Sure, and I think, David, it's important to recognize, and you know this as a pit master yourself, fluctuation in temperature is the devil in a long cook, right? You really want to have smooth temperature control, and that's what we're all about, and that's what's different about our product. The technology behind it, the variable speed blowers that we put with our model 400s and 500s enables you to lock in. The fans will run anywhere from 0% up to 100% in increments of 1%. So very, very, very precise, and enables you to really lock in on a goal pit temperature.
So you have a few different models that you offer. Tell us a little bit more about how we know which model is going to be right for us.
Yeah, sure. So there are two basic models, the Flame Boss 400 and 500, and then there are a couple different iterations of those models. The 400 is a blower and an integrated brains of the operation, if you will, and you can monitor and work this, change temperature with an app on your connected device or phone through Wi-Fi and or a local connection if you want to.
Okay.
The Model 500, which is our top of the line, if you will, has a heads-up unit at the grill, 3 probe input capable for meat, plus a pit probe, and it also can be run with the app on your device. So either way, controlled and monitored at the grill or on the app. So here's the home screen on the Flame Boss app. You have the options, 3 options for connectivity mode, Cloud Connect, so you can be saving cooks in the cloud, refer back to them later if you've had a successful cook and you want to get some tips from that or repeat it. Local Connect, if at home you can be connected to your home Wi-Fi and travel around your home or in your yard and be able to monitor and change without being on the internet or having internet access. In a pinch, if you want to use Direct Connect, it creates a direct connection between your connected device and the controller, similar to Bluetooth. So you have a shorter range connection, but you don't have to worry about having internet or Wi-Fi in a camping situation or tailgating, something like that. Or if you just not worried about needing to have the range, you can just connect directly that way. Both models are Wi-Fi capable, Wi-Fi enabled, so you can be anywhere in the world and monitor and change temp if you wanted to. And both, incidentally, come as a Kamado kit. You can purchase it as a Kamado kit, which comes with adapters for darn near any type of ceramic Kamado style grill. The 500 also 2 styles, and the Kamado, and the other is the universal kit, which comes with different adapters to work on drum smokers, cabinet smokers. You see here we have M Grills, one of their amazing cookers here, and we've got an adapter working with our 500 on an M Grill, and they do a lot with us too. We love working with those guys.
So tell our viewers a little bit more of where they can find out more information if they want to learn more, or even pick these kits up online.
Sure. So you can go to flameboss.com, visit our shop there, and find out information. You can also catch us on social media, Flame Boss Smokes, at Twitter, at Facebook, at Instagram, and you can always email us at support@flameboss.com, and we can answer any questions you have and give you a hand.
Cool. Well, hey, Bob, I appreciate you showing us more about Flame Boss. If you want to find them online, go check them out, gang.
Thanks.
Question of the day: how do you keep tabs on your fire and the temperature of the food that you're grilling? Are you happy with what you're using, or what do you wish it did better for you? If you want to learn more about Flame Boss and their products to manage temperature, check out our links in the description below. And if you want to see any of our other coverage from the Barbecue Expo, we've got a whole playlist out, and we'll link it up in the YouTube card as well as in the description below. So like, subscribe, hit the bell, because there's lots of great reviews on grills, thermometers, knives, and more in the coming weeks here on the channel. And I can't wait to see you next time right here on the Barbecue Lab.